Hello Nathan, thanks for sending me the gbXML file. This is what I was able to do with it. So I'm in the HVAC Solution Professional software. I'm going to go to File, Import, gbXML. Here's your file here. 4 zones. I'm going to hit Next. Check this box, so I don't have to do this 4 times, and I'm just going to click through. I won't change any of the information, but anything in white I can adjust or modify. And you noticed here that the CFM data didn't come through, but I'll just click through and show you what happens anyway. And when I get to the end, I hit Finish, and it creates this dynamic schematic. So it's built 4 air handlers, 4 airflow schematics, chilled water piping system, and a hot water piping system. If I click on this space, there's all the space related information, but the CFM didn't come through. So I'm just going to add some CFM. Let's just put 20,000 CFM here on the heating side, 20,000 on the cooling side. And when I push OK, you can see that the pipes turn blue and they turned red on the heating side. Let's go back to this space, and if we hit Control A, we should be able to show the pipe sizes. So there's this coil that's picked up the load from that space. We have 3-inch piping, primary, secondary piping on the chilled water side, 2-inch piping on the hot water side. So that's what I was able to do with your gbXML file. Thank you very much.